How on earth do we pick good cryptocurrency projects to invest in? Let's take a look now. So how do we pick a good cryptocurrency to invest in? Because there are a lot of good eggs, but there are also just as many, if not more, bad eggs out there, killing the young enthusiasm of us. You little buggers, I'd love to get you in a room and... So, guys, I just want to take you through how, for example, the things that I conduct before I go and invest my precious money into a cryptocurrency project. So the number one factor is the technology. So for example, in this one, I'm talking about MetaHero, okay? Just as an example, because I recently invested in MetaHero. I mentioned them in my previous video where I discussed top metaverse-based picks. And MetaHero was one. It's understanding, when I landed on their page, understanding what their technology is about. Okay, and with MetaHero, I thought it's something completely different. It's when you're looking at their technology, how is it going to serve some real case value to change our lives, to change the way in which we live, or, just something that's different. So I'm looking at the technology. That's the number one factor. And for MetaHero, just as an example, they're looking at implementing this ultra photogrammic scanning system where you can scan yourself, as I explained previously, scan real world items into the metaverse, and use these NFTs, so on and so forth. It's incredible. So the technology is the number one factor. Number two is to look at the team. Who are these guys? Because I hate it when I see, we're hiding behind avatars and there's no real name, so on and so forth. That is a big no-no for me. Not to say that there aren't good projects of people that don't hide, but why would they not show their faces? Why would they not explain who they are, their credentials? Because it builds credibility. Stop hiding behind things. I hate that. It's a pet hate of mine. And 9 times out of 10, I will not invest in cryptocurrencies of teams that I cannot see who they are and I cannot go potentially onto their LinkedIn, so on and so forth. So that's why I like MetaHero here. Another factor why I invested in, because you can see all about the team, understand who they are. They're not just going to run away because we've got all their names, so on and so forth here. Okay. The third thing that I look at is Whitepaper. I download the Whitepaper here, as you can see. Just an example of MetaHero. Okay. Let's just get it up. Downloads. Whitepaper, and then you're digesting their whitepaper, understanding, what they're trying to build, how it works. It explains further on the MetaHero, the actual token, the native token, in terms of its utility, how it's going to serve of value, how potentially what it means for you as a token holder. Digest all this, okay? Because if there's any shoddy ones out there, any bad eggs, you'll start to see through, and some red flags. So digest the white paper. That's the third thing that I do. Number 4 is the vision, the roadmap. Understand the roadmap. So here, for example, again, with MetaHero, they've got a clear roadmap here of what they've done so far. Oh, I've just gone past it. What they've done so far and what they're hoping to achieve in the future. What's coming next? What's next for the project? What's coming for them? So understanding that. Number 5, the community. I like to look at the community size. Look, they've got a nice, healthy community here. How many members have they got on Telegram or Discord, engaging with them? What are they building there? Understanding their following on Instagram, making sure these aren't all bought followers. Go and check out their engagement, ensure that that's all fine. The same on Twitter as well, decent following. And these are all green flags for me. And on the final point for me is analysis. Fundamental analysis, checking out news. What's going on with the cryptocurrency? Are they being talked about? Are they being publicized? What's the latest being spoken about them? So on and so forth. So fundamental analysis as well. So just to round off those points, number 1, technology. 2, the team. Number 3, white paper. Number 4, the vision and roadmap. Number 5, community. And number 6, fundamental analysis. Guys, look, as a reminder, by the way, do not hesitate to check. Link in its description. CoinCasso, massive investment opportunity. Diversify your investment. Get involved in potentially part owning CoinCasso. Cryptocurrency exchanges are so profitable. 365 days a year in bull runs, in bear runs. They are loving it. So do get involved in this. You can get exclusive access to becoming an investment holder. Just serious about. I'm lost for words because it's an amazing opportunity. So I wouldn't hesitate. Do check that out as well. Other than that, that's it from me. Do smash up the subscribe button and the like button. Let's get it.